Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock your Redmi Note 15 without password. Alright, but before we begin we need to discuss a few things. First thing is that please only try to unlock your phone, in no other case someone else's, because that might be considered as a crime and that's also unethical. Second thing is that we need to perform a factory reset using the recovery mode, so we'll lose all of our data. You need to have that in mind. And third thing is that after the reset, when we get into setup process, there is a chance that during that process, our phone will want to verify us, or by typing the screen lock. Of course, we won't be able to do it because we cannot remember it. But there's a second option, and it's signing in into Google account, into which we're logged in before the reset. If you also don't remember it, you can use the option that you forgot the password and then try to get it back, or you may have to perform a bypass of this Google verification. On our channel you can find videos how to do it. If you want to continue, follow my steps. I'll show that my device is also locked. I cannot remember the password. So now what to do? We need to power off our device. Click power button and volume up button, and now select power off. Okay, now we need to launch the recovery mode, and we do it by holding power button and volume up button at the same time until we see the logo. When it appears, we need to release the finger from power button, but we need to keep holding volume up. So start with 2 buttons. Now release the finger from power button, but keep holding volume up. Just like that. Now we are in the recovery mode. To move around this menu, we use volume keys. That's how we can navigate. Now select wipe data, confirm by clicking power button. Once again, wipe all data. Now confirm. Remember that everything will be erased. That's the last moment to stop, because now if you click on confirm, the erasing process will begin. If you want to continue, confirm. Alright, data wiped successfully. Now back to main menu, select reboot, reboot the system, and now we just need to simply wait until our phone turns on. The next thing that will appear on the screen will be the setup process. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.